Table Rock, up that way. Boom. Boys and girls, we are in Oneonta. We are in Oneonta, my old college town. And currently, I'm creeping my way towards campus. I'm gonna give you a little spin about from what I remember or not. For some reason I thought maybe my dorm house, that's an old dorm house as well. Mine is like to the left over here. Delta Beta Rho, baby. Sigma Phi chapter. That's right, I was a frat boy. I was a frat boy. Is this it right there? I don't think so. Actually, I'm gonna go straight. I think I might have missed it. Is it this one here? Yes. This is it. This was the frat house. Delta Beta Rho. With the porch and all. That is straight hilarious. This place is such a mess. That's right. And now, straight shot to the campus. Used to buy beer here illegally. That's kind of hilarious. Well, the only real way to buy beer back in the day was to go to CVS, this pharmacy spot. So I'm going to show you all the dorms that I lived in. Hello. And there's a main entrance to get inside campus. But with any luck, I'm gonna do the older one. I'm gonna do the secret one, if I still remember it, next to the music hall. Here we go. We're so close here. I present to you Hartwick College. Ta-da! This is where I spent 4 years. I hardly can believe it, to be honest. That's the main entrance right there, but we go through this one. A lot of fun, a lot of pain, a lot of tears, a lot of smiles on these gorgeous hills here. Orion Hills or something like that it's called. I don't know. Look at this. General public, no first year students. I used to walk that way. I had a lot of friends in this dorm. I never lived in this dorm. Wilder Hall. And this is right here is where you eat. That's the main office, cafeteria. Everything is in there, in that building right there. I had a lot of classes here. This is a library, and this is a lot of classes here. Up and down these stairs a million times. Don't remember that art. I lived in that dorm. That dorm I did live on the 3rd floor. That was kind of nice. Yep. This was my dorm. Adorable. That was another dorm, Venice. Never lived there. Certainly lived here. Definitely had a bunch of friends who lived in this dorm here. This was a popular party dorm. And that over there. A lot of Smith halls, a lot of illegal marijuana purchased around here. You know, look at that little table. That's so cozy. And these are for seniors. I did live here. They're all getting renovated. Look at this. Mine was over there. It's adorable. Yeah. This was mine right here. Not this one, but this next one. That is freaking amazing. This is nice. Yeah, only seniors lived in there because it's like a townhouse. And then over here is new res. This is a whole new building, which I have not seen while I was here. Same with those stairs. Where do those stairs go? Interesting. But yeah, this building I don't know anything about. Nothing. I'm guessing it's a dorm? Day apartments. Yeah. But this was my very first college dorm. Right here. Hilltop House. And I was on the 3rd floor, windows facing that way. Sneak in beer. Everybody's obviously gone for the summer. My boy Johnner had a Mickey Mouse flipping everybody off right there. They changed them. They used to be called New Res 1 and New Res 2. That's not a road, is it? Nope, it ain't. Ooh, look at that little bench. Adorable. Alright, so now we go to one more area. And then we're gonna take a little break. After which break, we're gonna go get some food. Yep, that's another exit right there. That was a party house down there as well. There's nothing up that way. I do have to exit and enter through the other hole. We'll do it quickly. Imagine living here. Some serious college stuff. College of Hartwick. This was another dorm right here that I used to go to all the time, and that was the radio station. This is the medical office, if you will. I believe that's the back of that dorm, maybe. I'm actually not sure. Yeah, I've had a lot of classes here. Look at this stadium. I don't remember that walkway. Beautiful. Yeah, a lot of important classes over here, up on the top floors. Hello. Beautiful. Hi. Oh, look at that. The Welcome Center. Yeah, this right here is new. It's a swimming pool and all that. And look, that is sick. This walkway here. I mean, it's an expensive private college, I assure you. All these things are not done for free. All this beautification. Nice. Look at this truck, bro. Look at this truck. Nasty. Yep, definitely been here before. And over here, there should be a spot to park where we could go for a hike. The problem is there's literally nobody here. I feel like my bike is gonna be like trespassing. Private property that way. Trailhead. This is it. I'm gonna take a little walk up the trail. Not far, but a little one. It's gonna gonna be all right. Table Rock, up that way. Boom. All right. I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. I'm gonna go for a little hike. Okay, bye. I hope you like my college campus. Ha ha ha. There it is. Table Rock. We made it. I hiked. And this is the view. Well worth it.